Okay, so the solution that I've been fawning over for the past 2 years or so has been this box right here.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Spyder Garage. I am super excited about this one because we finally have a solution to our front accessory drive problem.
Yep, so if you guys have been watching us for the past few years, you've known that on things like Drag Week and Power Tour, we've been having a big issue with Miles throwing belts.
Yep, our $20 solution that we created in Sean's garage, Sweaty Speed Shop Garage, we were pretty proud of the first time we put it together because we didn't spend any money except for a $20 Heim joint.
Yep.
Because we didn't have a lot of money to buy an aftermarket solution, but
now it's kind of, well, it's given us way more issues than I would have liked, and I kind of wish we just spent the money when we could have. But today we actually have a solution to that problem that I'm really excited for.
It's so heavy.
Okay, so the solution that I've been fawning over for the past 2 years or so has been this box right here. Inside this box is the Holley mid-mount accessory drive kit for an LS. It's going to fit great. We're going to get things like AC, a better power steering pump.
It's got a tensioner on it.
It's got a tensioner on it.
So we don't have to keep adjusting the Heim joint.
I'm pretty excited. So we're going to take it out of the box now and show it off to you guys.
Yep, you guys get to see it along with us.
Yep.
So here we go. We did already open the box, but we didn't look inside.
Well, we just checked.
Yeah, we just checked to make sure everything's in here.
Yeah.
All right. Wow.
Okay, so we're just going to start pulling stuff out of here. This is a big kit. It's got a lot of pieces to it. As we pull things out, we'll try to explain what it is and which part is going to do what for the car. And we'll just go from there.
Yeah, let's start with the big stuff first. Maybe that helps maybe explain the rest of the smaller
stuff. Yeah, I was going to
stuff.
try to do the water housing.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
And then if you want, you can...
I'll slide the box off the side here.
Okay, so the first piece of this puzzle is probably the coolest one in my opinion. It is the water pump housing. Get out of the box here and pull it off here.
You need a knife? No, it's stapled. We're good.
Plastic.
Oh, it's so gorgeous.
Yeah.
We've legit not seen this yet.
I haven't pulled this out of the box yet. No.
Wow.
Put off the side.
All right. Turn that around.
So, the cool thing about this kit is that this water pump housing that goes onto the front of the block actually has all the mounting points for everything else in the system. So, think, I forget the exact layout, but I think right here is where your AC would go.
AC compressor.
Right over here, they have the bolts for the brackets
right there,
for alternator, and then power steering goes down here.
Yep.
But it's all in one piece, which is really nice. It's really confined, and it just looks cool. We got the black version, which is going to look nice.
Yeah, we didn't explain that. So
there's 2 or 3 different options for color in this. I can't remember if
there's a cast one.
You can get the cast one.
And then a black anodized one.
And then a black anodized. We got the black anodized, as you can see. And it just looks killer.
Yeah. So, as you can imagine, putting a V8 in the Monza is already pretty tight.
Yeah.
So, they had a high-rise kit, I think a low-mount kit. I'm not sure what they call it. But then they had the mid-mount kit, which just compressed everything really nice and tightly within the confines of the block itself, which is about the only thing that would fit in our car.
Yep, this is about the only kit I can really find online that I think will actually work for the car. So this is exactly why I've been wanting it.
Yep, so that's the water pump housing. Let's keep going.
Yep.
I don't know what that is. Just try that next.
Tensioner, which is...
what we've needed the whole time.
Yeah. So, obviously, we don't have a tensioner on our current system. And this is going to fix that issue.
Oh, gosh. I'm so happy. I'm probably most happy about that than anything else.
That Heim joint was a good idea in theory, and it just didn't work out in the long run. No offense, Sean.
All right. Here's a big box. I don't know what that is.
Yep. This is the alternator, I think. Yep, sure it is. Actually, no, I'm completely wrong.
It's the
crank pulley.
Yeah.
Yep.
The balancer.
So or balancer, I mean. Yep.
Balancer with the pulley built in, yeah.
Yeah, balancer with the pulley. That is super nice. It also comes black with the black kit.
This is not the SFI rated one.
It is
They
not.
do have the option for that.
We did not get that in our kit.
Don't know that we're really going to need that. I know we do drag week, but I don't think we're going to be a 10-second car either.
Yeah,
so.
For our purposes, it's not necessary, so we opted out for that.
All right, let's get the next biggest box here. Don't know what this is. There you go.
Yep. This, I think, is the alternator. Yep.
Cool. Ooh, I want to see this because
this, I think, does it come with a black alternator?
It should be black as well.
Yeah.
I'm excited about this one. Hey, careful, it's gonna knock my camera over.
Whoops.
My duct tape's not gonna hold it anymore. Nice. Yeah, it's all vacuum formed.
Yep. They do a really good job of packaging this.
Yeah, good job, Holley. Oh, baby.
Nice.
Look at that.
That's a nice looking.
And that is a 100 amp alternator too, if I recall. So it'll handle the extra accessories.
Yep.
Oh, that's gorgeous. It's gonna look so good. All right, next big box. Heavy. Don't know what that is. It's probably probably the AC compressor. I would imagine. It's heavy.
I'm excited about that.
Yeah, that should be black anodized as well.
I just want AC.
Well, yeah.
I've never owned a car with AC before, so.
No, yeah, for those that don't know, this car is, like, when the Monza was new, it was an AC car, so we've got all the ductwork and the firewall accessories to hook up AC, but we've never had AC in the car.
Never had a compressor.
And now we can do that.
Instructions? I'll need those.
That's where we're going. Yep. Look at that, baby. Okay.
Oh.
So nice.
That is awesome.
Oh, here, let's put everything on the side that it goes. How about that?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Here, hold that up.
This is super
so
nice.
Pretty.
Everything is such
Shiny.
a nice, shiny black on this kit.
Oh
Really
gosh,
nice.
so neat. Yeah, that's the way. Will it hold it? Like right here on the table?
I don't think it'll hold it per se right now. It's not balanced well, but theoretically that bolt's literally right there.
Here, let go. See if it holds it.
No,
Yep, gonna fall.
tip forward.
All right,
Good.
moving on. Another big box. I don't know what it is. This is like Christmas.
It really is. Well, it's December. Almost is.
It is December, so this is our Christmas. What is that? Oh, it's the power steering pump with the reservoir.
That's a lot tinier than I thought.
It's smaller than the stock one, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how they were able to squeeze everything in.
That's actually really nice. That's the entire
Wow.
power steering pump.
That's
Without the
pulley.
Without the pulley, obviously.
Yeah. Very cool. It even says Holley on the top.
That's nice.
So that's just the pump itself with the little reservoir.
Mm-hmm. That is the one thing we might have to change slightly for our application. We might have to get a
remote reservoir.
Remote reservoir, yes.
Yeah, so I did a lot of measuring before we ordered this, and I think this will still work because we actually have jacked up the engine mounts on this car to where I think the bottom of this will still clear the large Saginaw steering box in the Monza, the stock steering box. But if not, we'll get a remote reservoir hooked up to this pump and still make it work. But for now, we're going to try this and see if it works. Big box. Still kind of heavy. Let's see what's left.
All the little stuff we can never think about.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff in this box, guys. There's still a lot left in this box.
Yeah. So this kit also comes with all of the hardware necessary to install this. Oh, this is the actual water pump impeller.
Yeah.
So you can notice the water pump here doesn't have a pulley on it yet. The way they do it in this kit. So
Alright. Yep.
You can look at the back here. This is the actual impeller, as I think you call it, right?
Wow, that's billet.
Yeah, it is.
That's a billet design. I'm impressed.
That's
Holley,
really
I
nice.
didn't realize this was a billet piece that was machined out.
Yeah, but this basically just sits right here on the front of this water pump here.
Yeah.
When you spin that, that's what holds it.
Yep.
So, pretty nice.
All right. Now we're kind of getting into. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll give you this one next. There we go.
So, pulley for the power steering.
Power steering pulley.
Just gonna leave that here. I'll leave it in the packaging.
Slide this down. Another bag with the belt, the resistor wire for the alternator, and some other hardware down below. I can't see. Don't know what that is. Oh, it's the crank bolt.
Yes, there it is.
All right. Another box.
Yep. More hardware for.
Hey, what is it?
Oh, that's actually the hard line.
Oh, the hard line for the power steering
For the
pump.
power steering pump.
Okay.
Yep.
I didn't know it came with that. Cool.
That's very nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I opened it. My bad.
You're allowed.
It's your car. So that's the actual
This is the thermostat and water pump.
thermostat,
Thermostat housing. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah. Can't think of the names and stuff.
That's
half
cool.
the time.
So does it go straight down?
Looks like it does.
That's what we need because we bought a rotating one for yours because it used to point out to the side.
Well, I can look at it right now. Yeah, it goes straight down.
Okay.
This side slightly, but yeah, this will work.
Survey says this will work.
Yes.
All right, we're getting down to the last little bit here. This is a heavy box. I'm gonna guess this is probably. Are you gonna take that out of the box too? You want all the shiny stuff to show.
Exactly. Take this out.
You have no idea how excited we are about this, guys. We've caused so many people so much heartache over this belt coming off all the time. Oh yeah, box of nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Yep.
For the installing it.
Every kit needs that. Another box. Oh, I know what that
This
is.
is the tensioner cover. This is really nice.
Yeah, it's a fancy cover.
The little cover it comes with the tensioner, basically. Pretty
Shiny.
nice.
Very shiny. All right. Small box, a little bit of weight to it. Don't know what's in that.
Bolts.
Oh, well, for the heater hose.
Heater hose.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, it's
what it
either
is.
for the hoses or it's got two plugs in there if you don't want to run the heater hoses. So that's cool.
I didn't
So,
even realize that.
yeah, they think of everything. If you
That's
want the
nice.
heater, you got the option. If you don't, they give you that option too.
That's really nice.
All right, last
Is that it?
box.
Last
That
box.
is it.
All right.
I mean, that's quite a bit.
That it? Well, no, I shouldn't say it like that.
And is it? Oh, the AC lines.
AC lines. Yep.
It's just the bolt-on.
For the
Yeah, billet piece on the back, which
that's really
that
nice.
is actual billet. Yeah,
That's really nice.
I got to say, I'm pretty impressed with
Close up with that.
the construction.
Look at that. That is really nice.
Very cool. Well,
Yep.
you excited?
Yeah. Pretty soon we'll be actually putting this on the car, test fit it, and I'm excited.
Yeah, that'll be another video, guys. We just wanted to do the unboxing for you right now, and just say a huge thank you to Holley for
Yeah.
making such an awesome kit, because this is really what we wanted all along, but we just at the time it just wasn't in the funds.
And I also want to give a big thank you to Jared Pink from the Questionable Garage. He's a big reason that we were able to get this kit.
Yes.
He was very generous. We'll give a link to his video where it all happened, but it was a very generous gift. Thank you, Jared, again. This is awesome. Can't wait to put it on the car.
Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. You see all the contents of the kit here. Pretty soon you'll see us actually put it on the car and you get a better idea of how nice and compact this kit really is.
Yeah.
And it's going to look great as well, because as you guys, maybe some of you know, some of you may not know, the theme of this car has always been black and red. And so if you look under the hood of Miles, everything is already black and red, and so we had to go with the black anodized kit to just kind of keep with that theme. And once this is installed, I just can't wait to really show this thing off. We're going to have to clean up under your hood now.
Yeah, it's gonna...
to really show this thing off.
Yep.
Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. We always appreciate you, and thanks again to Holley and to Jared again for reaching out to Holley and making this happen for us. And for the rest of you, if you're not subscribed, hit that little subscribe button, hit that little notification bell to notify you when the next episode comes out. And until then, take care. What are we talking about?
You gotta give me more warning than that.
I'm excited for the... Oh, gosh. And
really, that's how you're gonna do it?
Because we finally have and to the bed. And what is that exactly?
Don't ask me a question. Yep. That's it. Okay, so
the blooper reel is going to be awesome on this one.